everyone, if you're new here, hi, my name is Christina. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button down there so that you can help me to grow this little channel of mine. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. In today's video, I'll be showing with you what I got from Your Sugar Nails. First thing that I saw in this package are these free nail stickers. This is the highlight of this video. Let's open this lovely package. This kit includes 3 different shades of poly extension gel. Here we also have a nail buffer, and each side of it have different function. To apply the POLYGEL smoothly, we need this lip solution, and of course a top coat to seal off the POLYGEL and nail polish. Only 1 nail gel polish is included in this kit. Next thing we got here is a small glass where we will put this lip solution, and a base coat to make the POLYGEL adhere to the nails firmly. To remove the debris after filing the nails, we will use this small brush. And of course this applicator tool for the easy molding of the POLYGEL. Next is the nail file to gently grind down and shape the edges of the nails. And 20 pieces nail model is also included in this kit. And lastly is this mini UV lamp. Shall we proceed to the procedure? Let's go! By the way, I got this product on Shopee. Just search here Sugar 14 Pieces Extension Nail Gel Polish 14 pieces set. To get a 15% off discount, just use my promo code. And this is the final result. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to click the notification bell for you to get an update whenever I post a new video. So yeah, I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!